Namaskaram, this is C.A. Himakandandavarpu, founder of Himlife School. Now, this is a video resume of Mithra Manikandan. These days, I no longer believe in papers because they can write anything. Now, if someone is looking to hire Mithra or work with Mithra, this is a credible feedback coming from someone who have closely observed her for the last 100 days. So, number one, to begin with, she has an incredible work ethic. She can start the day at 5 a.m. and extend it till 10 p.m. So 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. that routine is sorted as we are speaking today. So in terms of the work ethic, yes, Big Four, consulting, investment banking, she has the quantitative work ethic. Now quality, I have given her various assignments as a part of her CA final preparation. I've given her various assignments which are way above the level of a regular CA final student, and she has performed exceptionally well in all those things. So that way, yes, the qualitative thing is also sorted. In terms of exposure, I believe you have studied in Singapore for 5 years. Yes. So apart from studying in Chennai for 10 years and then Singapore for 5 years, and the top up which she had at HLS, it's not about her process, but then when somebody goes through that 100 days, everything which she could have picked up throughout her life will be coming back onto the surface. Now she's in a exceptional position to pick up any challenging task. So that way, quantity is sorted, quality is sorted, finishing school at HLS, this is also sorted, and exposure at 2 different countries is also there. And she comes from a background where her parents are very well educated and quite sensible, and they think very rationally. So that also helps her to work on the situation. And the most important thing, this is a leadership quality. She has finished her exams, and after that, normally people tend to break loose, but she maintained that momentum for the next 3 days because she was helping another student who is writing her inter exams. So I did not see any difference between her preparation and the way she supported someone else's preparation. As a founder, as a leader, these are the kind of people I would like to hire, even if they don't have the other qualities which I mentioned above. So I'm proud to present Mithra Manikandan as a super student. So this is, when you ask me definition of super student, this is exactly you're seeing one. So Mithra, all the very best. And
Thank you so much.
I hope you get to a position which will make this video sensible. Getting into a regular mainstream thing, this is not needed.
Yes.
So that is what I want you to get there. And at any point of time, we'll pull you back and hire you, or we'll put you at the head of HLS Singapore. That is anyways there. So I have to be really convinced that you're doing something really huge. So that, okay, anyways, he's doing something sensible is what I have to feel. And you're always welcome. And the best part is you have incredible feedback from all the mentors, all the peers, and you're complete now. Your personality is complete. I think there is a reason why you are here.
Yes.
So that reason is sorted. And I'm very, very thankful to your parents. So they're not just regular parents, they're parent partners. So that way you're lucky. So you have 2 families now. The regular family anyways was working with you always. And HLS at Hyderabad, Chennai, Triangle, Singapore. So build a rock solid career on the top of it. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be part of it, and I'm very thankful I got a family here more than a mentor here. I'm very thankful. I enjoyed everything here and I cherish it all through my life.
She's saying it because she's thinking she's going back. We'll pull her back. So
This should be captured.
So thank you guys. This is the kind of transformation which somebody should experience at any center. Like whenever you're going to an organization, please don't just focus about the packages, salaries, or everything. So focus on the learning aspect. Once you learn that, you'll become invaluable. Any given organization, they give you that opportunity. So please focus on what you have to learn. So she learned the right things at HLS, and that is the reason why I'm taking this extra step to make sure everybody knows her work, which has been done credibly. Thank you for watching us, and once again, all the best, Mithra.
Thank you so much.